This genius strategy has helped Ali Abdaal turn his audience into $1 million business, and part of what he generates comes from AdSense, sponsorships, brand deals, but his primary source of income is his digital product. I've studied the top YouTubers, I've worked with clients, but Ali Abdaal's funnel strategy is kind of surprising. It's like unique and it stands out. And that's why in today's video I'm going to break down step by step the strategy that Ali Abdaal uses to make his audience eager to buy his courses without being called a sellout, without being called a scammer, without being called all of that things. So let's go. Alright, Mr. Ali Abdaal smiling. $5.4 million from YouTube. That's a lot of money. Okay, so let's get started, let's get serious and sure. So he uses a funnel. Okay, there's different ways of structuring a funnel and all of that, but I found that this one is the perfect one that fits Ali Abdaal. The attention, interest, desire, action, loyalty, we can also call it awareness, but basically the attention is Ali Abdaal creating engaging YouTube videos for people that don't even know him or few people that have never seen his videos. So he has like catchy YouTube titles, catchy thumbnails, so he attracts new audiences every single time. And from that audience that is in the attention part, he builds the interest. So he talks about YouTube videos and people want to find more, like, okay, this guy has 4.4 million, so he knows what he's talking about, so I want to know. And then with the interest kind of videos that I'm going to show you later, he builds desires to people who want to become YouTubers, like, yeah, I really want to become a YouTuber, I need to listen to Ali Abdaal. And then they take action from his course, they decide to sign up for the course. And then loyalty, they become die-hard fans from Ali Abdaal, they love Ali Abdaal. So now let's break it down even further, the attention part. Alright, he only uses YouTube. I've seen his Twitter, he doesn't post often. On Instagram as well, he doesn't post often. He posts often on YouTube. It's his main kind of channel. And he has 3 channels. He has the podcast channel where he makes podcasts with entrepreneurs, authors, athletes, and he has a soft plug to his main channel but doesn't really mention it, because here on his deep dive with Ali Abdaal, the podcaster or the guy who he's talking with is the protagonist. He's not the protagonist. He just asks questions, talks. And then he has his vlog channel, and his vlog channel is more for daily routines, daily life, day in the lives, and how he runs his business and more, and as well authentic videos. And this kind of videos nurtures the audience, like for the audience that already knows Ali Abdaal and wants to know more about Ali Abdaal, connecting a deeper personal level. He uses these vlogs, and also he plugs into his main YouTube channel. And this is the main YouTube channel, 5.7 million, almost 1,000 videos, and this is where the magic happens. So Ali Abdaal is known as a productivity guy, but he first started with kind of music videos, and then he switched into like helping students get into medical school, and then he did a lot of things. But people knew him from his productivity because they started asking him, how are you so productive? So he started making videos about how you can be productive as a student, and then he just broadened, and he's now with a broadening audience. So his main topic is productivity, and he's known as the productivity expert, and he makes most of his videos are about productivity, focusing, time management, distractions, and books and stuff like that, just about more productivity. But he also makes other type of content. He makes self-improvement content where he gives advice to people about life, and he can talk about it because he has the authority already, and he's already financially free, so people will by default listen to what he says. So he also makes videos about finance, about making money. So here, if I wanted to make $10,000 as a student, here it's like 5 sources of income, but I cut it off. Here, how to go from 0 to 10K, and honest advice about who wants financial freedom. But his main thing, what he sells, is YouTube growth. How do you grow in YouTube? How do you become a YouTuber? And he has multiple videos about this. If I start a YouTube channel, if I have YouTube videos. So he's mainly selling this. He's selling the part-time YouTuber Academy. So these videos are the actual videos that convert. These videos don't convert, but these videos convert. So he makes content about this, he brings attention to people, and he makes interest. People are getting interest about the content. He's like, wow, I want to know more about Ali. So they watch more videos, they watch more of these YouTube videos. And for each YouTube videos, for the people who are interested, he first gives like free guides, free courses to nurture his audience. So I don't know if you see here, but there is this part of take my free quiz. There's a 7-day kind of YouTube guide and stuff like that. But he also makes people like, if you're interested about this video, if you want to know more, you can get it to watch these next videos. But if you notice something, there is this specific video. Let me put it in yellow. This specific video, like if I started a YouTube channel in 2023, is always mentioned in his kind of videos like this, videos about YouTube. This one, always. This one. And this one, if you see all of them, because it's the same video at the top, the same video, 1 2 3. This one is second, but he's like kind of pushing people to watch that specific video, and that's why that video, I think that we've seen that video, it's this video that has 3.6 million views, because it's like kind of a VSL, a visual sales letter to like, okay, watch this video, because if you see 9 things I wish I knew if I wanted to grow, how to grow, my thoughts on YouTube if I started working full-time, they all have description, they all have links. So people who are interested will click this link and they will desire to become a YouTuber. And then that comes the desire, and that's the video. 3.6 million views. And look, the interesting thing, it doesn't have any other links. It only has this link to his part-time YouTuber academy. Yeah. So those who are interested and desire to become a YouTuber, they will click this link and they'll watch this link and they will get into here. So they already want to become a YouTuber. Ali Abdaal has already convinced them. So what's next? To take action. And also he sends emails, but he doesn't use much of this. He sends like rarely. So he tells people to take action now. So that's where the sales page comes. So it will show some detailed course information, benefits, pricing, and testimonials. Limited time offers. He doesn't use urgency and scarcity at all, I think. I haven't seen it. And the main objective, the main goal is to convert those who are interested and desired to like become a YouTuber into like customers. So here's the landing page. We're gonna break it down, don't worry. Here's the landing page. We help you grow your YouTube channel faster while saving your hours every week. So now let's get to, before we break it down, of course there's one thing missing. They take action, but then it doesn't end there. Where it ends is if the customers are happy. So the loyalty. That's where they become diehard fans. That's where they will defend you like to death. And how does he do it? Like he has, of course, an excellent. When people finish the course, a lot of people are growing, so it has a lot of good reviews. He has an onboarding system. He has a community inside that course, and his courses are being updated every maybe 2 years. So that gives a fresh thing that makes the previous customers come back. And the main objective is to retain the customers, to tell them, yeah, retain the customers. And when you're able to retain the customers, your reputation just grows. But if you have a product, you get them to buy, and if you don't deliver, estás muerto, hermano, estás muerto. So we're gonna talk about this as well, about his offer is becoming a part-time YouTuber when you are having a full-time job or you have no time at all. So the dream outcome is becoming a full-time YouTuber, okay? And the perceived likelihood of achievement is possible because he's done it. He's shown the credibility that he's been able to become a YouTuber with no time, so it's possible. But here we have the time delay. It takes a lot of time to get to that point, to become have 1 million views or subscribers. You have to get good at it, and that's why you have to put a lot of effort and sacrifice. So the value equation is there, but it just, this thing above outweighs this, so people don't care. They already know that, they're already aware that this is tough. So let's break down this part, the sales page, the landing page, the funnel. So this is the headline, this is the main value proposition, and this is the claim, the desire. People desire this, they desire becoming a YouTuber. So Ali Abdaal is like, boom, this is what you want exactly. And who does he target? He targets part-time YouTubers Academy, part-time YouTubers, or people who have a full-time job or are full-time students, don't have time. So we help you grow your YouTube channel faster while saving you hours every week. Proven strategies and techniques without quitting your day job. So you know that these people already are working and don't have much time. So he targets that kind of people. What's the what? So growing a YouTube channel faster. And how they can do it while saving hours every week with proven strategies and techniques. That's the breakdown. So that's like, oh, this is what exactly I want. Tell me more. Tell me more. He has this VSL. The VSL is where he sells, where he talks about, is basically the summary of the whole sales page. And then we have here, this is really good. I really like this part. This is kind of new. I've seen like Iman Gaji doing it. I've seen like Sabri Subi doing it. A lot of marketers doing this, and it works like charm, because this text, this not long text, but this is to break the beliefs of the current viewer. They might say, they might believe it, they might not believe it, but first you start with like the beliefs. You have to break them. So people, they don't buy logically, they buy based on emotions. So the more you justify the emotions, the better. Okay? You talk about the emotions and then you justify the logic. So there are 3 false beliefs: the vehicle, the internal, like the external beliefs. The vehicle is basically people who basically don't trust it. This ain't legit, this won't change my life basically, or it's not possible anymore. And he starts with that big bold headline here: a YouTube channel can completely change your life, because it changed mine. They're like, wow, it changed Ali's life, so maybe it is possible. And then they might have other beliefs like, I'm not comfortable in camera, I'm not good at making videos, I don't know how to edit, I don't have a personality, I'm too young, I'm too old, I'm not charismatic. Boom, Ali does like, hey, I started with 0 viewers, bro. I had 0 subscribers and 0 revenue. I had nothing. I started from 0. No one pushed me. And I didn't know about filming, editing, publishing videos. But after watching hundreds of tutorials, after putting in the efforts, he figured out. But growing the channel was challenging. He's like breaking these beliefs, the vehicle, and he broke as well the internal, to tell people that you don't need to be expert to start. And then people might have external beliefs. I don't have time. The YouTube market is saturated. I can't commit. It takes too much time. Ali's like, hey, listen, I was working 50 to 60 hours in the hospital and commuting 2 hours a day. And he was trying as well to maintain a social life. So he didn't have time for YouTube. But deep inside, he wanted freedom and flexibility. Freedom and flexibility. And a YouTube channel could give him that. So he kept going, and after 18 months as a full-time YouTube doctor, he got 100,000 subscribers, and 2 years later he hit 1 million subscribers and made 1 million annual revenue. And that's when he decided to quit his job. So he's been a part-time YouTuber for nearly 6 years, and he grew from 0 to 4.3 million. So that means that, hey, I am Ali, I'm a doctor, okay, I spend most of my life working, but I was able to do it. And that's it. He broke the 3 beliefs. Now people are like, okay, now how can I do it? Like, what's the secret formula? Okay, he gives you the formula. Okay, this is the secret formula, and how can you do it? You create videos that people find valuable, you post them on YouTube at least once a week, and you repeat it at least for 2 years. And you might be like, are you kidding me? Okay, this is the formula, but what should I do? I don't have time. So there comes the problem. This is the thing. It takes a lot of time, and that's why not a lot of creators can succeed on YouTube. unless you're unemployed, no family, and unless you're a young guy with 14 years old playing Fortnite every single day, that you have a lot of time. But if you're like him, you got an actual job or family, you just don't have 40 hours a week. So then, as well, it's like, hey, you have to strategize. You have to make ideas, titles, thumbnails, scripting, video, editing, staying up to date, monetizing. It takes so much of your time, and it takes more than 40 hours maybe to like maintain YouTube at the highest level. And you also have to do this. You want to avoid burnout, so it just kind of touches your pain points, you know. And he says like you can't figure out in your own. You can, but for Ali, it took him 6 years. So you can condense it. This is the solution. You can condense it into a system that makes you be able to do 10 to 20 hours a week without compromising your lifestyle. So you build a content production system. This is the solution. This is the new opportunity. This is what you should do to be able to make YouTube videos while you're juggling your full-time work and your family. So he gives you here the system, what you should be building, and he also tells you that, you know, he condenses 6 years and thousands of hours into just a course. And then he gives you like more solutions, what these frameworks and stuff like that. And then people are like, wow, Ali, yes, you're the man, but I don't trust you. But I'm skeptical. Then you have the testimonials. Hey, my name is Easy and Ali is amazing. He helped me and this and that. More testimonials. And if we go to his main page, and we scroll, we see testimonials, and then one breakdown. You can help them save time. And then he talks about the things, he talks about the curriculum, he talks about who can, the parts of being a YouTuber. You have 0 to hundreds, this and this. And I'm sold already. Enroll, and then you have the curriculum, more testimonials, different packs, and the pricing here. And that's when he's like, okay, you can buy it. But he's already convinced you, bro. After this, there comes the price, and then bonuses, and then guarantees, and then FAQs to handle the objections, scholarships, more FAQs, more testimonials, another pricing. So if you have the money, I'm telling you, if you can invest, you sold already. And that's what Ali Abdaal did, and that's what makes him millions. This is the strategy. And the cool thing is that he doesn't sell so much. He maybe makes a video about YouTube, how to grow YouTube, maybe every 3 months. He doesn't tell you every time to buy his course. That's it. You have to just follow this strategy. You can copy him, literally. Pump out content, give so much value, and then tell them to buy your course. And that's it. So if you want to know how to build a sales page, a landing page, make sure to watch this video.